Drifting, watching the world go round. World go round. Listening to unfamiliar feelings and unknown sounds. Unknown sounds, slipping through my fingertips, lingering. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, would I put the pen? Make a list of all my failed attempts, running out of space again. Highlight all the things I wish I never said. Stop! If healing makes you stronger, I'm the weakest. That would mean that I would have to separate from my beliefs. It's not a secret, I'm a puzzle. Got a lot of missing pieces underneath this strong persona I put on to kid and screaming. All these words are so deceiving. They look different, don't they? Well, at least that's how they seem to me. Cause we just drifting till we see something that we define as peaceful. Grab the needle, shoot reminders in my veins, and people leave you while I'm drifting. Watching the world go round. World go, yeah, world go. Listening to unfamiliar feelings and unknown sounds. Unknown sounds. Gossip, I be watching you. You're talking to yourself is rude. Drifting, I'm in the same boat as you. Sinking, dreaming, screaming for some truth. Escalators broke, I'll take the stairs, I guess. Climbing till I'm out of breath, questioning my every step. My train of thought is leading me to different tracks. Positive that where I'm at is not where I should stay, and that's why. Don't you look into the mirror and say I love you. Convince yourself that no one ain't no brother ever want to. Passing by the people that have been there to support you from the get-go. Disrespectful, drive you mental, make it stressful when I'm drifting. I see you in the distance, asking me why I'm so distant. I'm convicted, I'm convinced that I predicted all my wishes won't be hurt. Cause I'm committed to the light and feeling safe is unrealistic when I'm drifting. Watching the world go round.